What's up guys? Welcome back to Honest Cooks. Today we're making coconut chicken curry. It's dairy free, gluten free, and if you pair it with riced cauliflower, it is a perfect keto friendly meal. Let's get started. Let's take a look at the ingredients. For the whole spices, we'll be using cinnamon, bay leaves, black cardamom, curry leaves, fennel and mustard seeds, and green chilies. For the powdered spices, we will be using garam masala, turmeric and salt, red chili powder and coriander powder. And we'll cut our green chilies lengthwise. And the only other ingredients that we will need will be onion, ginger paste, coconut milk, and of course chicken. I'm using thighs, you can use breast. For a quick dry rub on the chicken, use the turmeric and the salt. After you've washed and cut the chicken, mix everything together and place it in the refrigerator for about an hour. And let's get cooking. I'm using coconut oil. You can use vegetable oil if you don't have coconut oil. And once your oil is hot, add in all of your whole spices along with the green chilies and stir everything to avoid burning. After cooking your whole spices for a few minutes, add in the ginger paste and the onions. Cover and cook on medium heat until the onions are soft. Once the onions are soft, we will add in the powdered spices, that is coriander powder, red chili powder and garam masala. And at this point we will also add a splash of water so nothing sticks to the bottom of the pan. Cover and cook for a couple minutes. And then we will add in our coconut milk. If you prefer thicker gravies, just add the cream part, avoid the watery part. Give it a good mix and allow it to simmer for a few minutes. And when your coconut milk starts to bubble, it's time to add in our chicken. Give it a good mix, cover and cook until the chicken is cooked through. You'll know it's ready when you open the pan and everything is steamy. Well, the oil has separated, which means the chicken is ready. A quick garnish with cilantro and it's ready to plate. Serve this with perfect basmati rice. I have a quick recipe linked in the description below. And there you have it, coconut chicken curry. Lip-smacking delicious, dairy-free, gluten-free and keto-friendly. Thank you so much for watching guys. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Honest Cooks. And I will see you next week with another recipe. Until then, have a lovely day.